as I go over the Waterbay here, just keep refreshing to this video. I'll try to address everything right now. If you're going somewhere that has full hookups, I'll show you this little lever right here. So right here is normal, and this is where you'll put it to if you're hooking up to shore power. If you want to fill up the tank, you hook it up to here, and you twist this knob to the so it's pointing to tank right here. After you're done filling it, you need to turn it back to normal and then detach the hose. If you're doing shore power or shore water, you just unscrew this little cap right here, bring the water hose up and into here. Again, same thing's true if you have cable TV. It plugs into right here. Some places offer that. And then you'll also see that there is outside water if you need to hose people down because it got too dirty. That's something you can do right here, and as you can see, you can turn on the water pump from right here as well. Hot and cold water, etc. As far as dumping the tank, you can see I have a hose right here that you can attach the dump station, or if you're in full hookups, there's usually a little thing in the ground you just screw this end into right there. That end will screw into the tank, and then when you're if you've done boondocking or had no hookups, when you're done, you'll hook this other end up right here. See it right there? That end hooks up into right here. Right there. It just screws onto that little cap right there. And then there's another one of these openings that hose drops into, and as you can see, it collapses. If you're planning on doing full hookups, you'll also want to use this little leveling kit that I have right here. That'll help keep the fluids running downstream. I'm kind of a clean freak, so when I do hook up, whenever I need to touch that, I have gloves right here you can use to handle it. The hose right there is if you're needing to use hook up water, and that does bring up an important point. Most RV hookups will have PSIs over 100, which is way above what RVs can have. RV parks, I should say. And so because of that, I have this little inline filter here, and on this side of it, which is where you hook into the spigot, I have a pressure regulator. So if you're using hookups at an RV park, always hook this in. One, it takes out all the particulates, and two, it'll keep the pressures normal so that you don't blow my lines out in the RV itself. The hose that it comes with hooks into this side, and then this hose will then hook in, come up through that opening there, like I've said, and then hook into here. I've put that 90 on there so that you can still close this door when